Very warm welcome back, children, for our new academic online class, St. Mary English High School. I welcome you all to class 6, subject science, chapter number 2, The Living World, part 1. You have already studied chapter number 1, that is natural resources, air, water, and land. I hope you all have understood it very well. In this video, we are going to study about chapter number 2, The Living World. Can we recall? List the things seen in the picture. Say whether they are living thing or non-living thing. We can see a girl, puppy, hen, chick, man. We can also see land, box, ball, bucket, tree, etc. Can we find whether these things are living thing or non-living thing? Yes, we can identify them with the help of their characteristic, and that characteristic we are going to learn in this chapter. There are many kinds of plants and animals around us. They show some similarities and some difference. Yet, with the help of certain feature, we can tell that they are all living things. These features are not seen in non-living thing. Such features are said to be a characteristic of living thing. Let us study this characteristic in detail. So, very first characteristic is growth. All living things grow into adult in a certain fixed period. Human body require 18 to 21 years for complete physical growth. During this period, they gain height, weight, and strength. So, we can find in a particular person, we see growth in height, weight, etc. A baby grow up to become an adult person. During the period of growth, the baby gain in physical characteristics such as weight, height, and strength. Human being require 18 to 21 years for this growth. Food is necessary for growth. Yes, for proper growth, you know what is required? Yes, food is required. All the living things require food for the proper growth. Plant make their own food in sunlight. Plant produce food from water, nutrient in the soil, and the carbon dioxide present in the air. This process take place in the leaves of plant. It is brought about in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. This process of food production is called as photosynthesis. During this process, plant gives out oxygen. Plant appear mainly green in color due to the chlorophyll in them. Food is necessary for growth. Can you identify what is this picture about? Yes, correct. It is showing the process of photosynthesis which is carried out by the plant to make their food. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, all these three things, that is sugar plus carbon dioxide is used by the plants. Intake of food by animals. Animals, however, do not have chlorophyll. They do not produce their own food. They search for food. Animals such as goat, sheep, horses eat grass. Wild animals such as tigers and lions meet their need for food by hunting other animals which live on plant. How plant and animals are different. Plants grow as long as they live. Animals grow only for a certain period. Plants make their own food in sunlight. Animals search for food. Plants are self-sufficient. They are dependent on other living things. Plants have chlorophyll. Animals do not have chlorophyll. They respire through pores on their stems and leaves. Animal respires through organs such as lungs, skin, and gills. Plants shed leaves to excrete. Animals have a special organs for excretion. Now the next characteristic is respiration. All living things need oxygen for their survival. Inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide is called respiration. In animal, these are specialized respiratory organs while plants respire through a microscopic pores on their stems and leaves. Below are some more examples of respiration in living thing. Respiration in plants by leaves, respiration in birds by lungs, respiration in earthworm by skin, in fish by gills, chickens by lungs, caterpillars by spiracles, and leaves respire through the microscopic pores. Observe and discuss. Hold your hand in front of your nose or keep your hand on your chest. What do you feel? We can feel the warm moist air coming out of the nose and the chest moving up and down continuously. If we observe a sleeping dog, what movement of its belly do we see? We see the belly moving up and down continuously. Can you recall? Is all the food we eat used by the body? No, all the food we eat is not used by the body. Some which is not digested is thrown out of the body. What is the unused part of the food converted into? The unused food is converted into excreta. This is our third characteristic, excretion. Excreta. The waste substance formed during the different processes that take place in the body of animal is called excreta. Excretion, the process of eliminating of waste product from the body is called excretion. Excretory organs, specialized organs present in the animals for the excretion are called excretory organs. Animals have specific organs for excretion. They also excrete by sweating. Healing, exhaling carbon dioxide is another form of excretion. Plants too excrete. For example, some plants shed leaves in a specific season. Try this. Take a transparent plastic bag, tie it over a leaf of plant as shown in the picture. Observe it after 6 to 7 hours. What do you see? Droplets of water collect on inside the bag. It means that plant excrete water in a form of vapor. So, excretion is a characteristic of living things. Use your brain power. What is a sticky substance seen on the stem of bubble or drumstick trees? The sticky substance seen in the stems of bubble or drumstick trees is a waste product of the tree. Since it is unwanted substances from the plant, it is secreted out through the bark of tree. Thank you.